Today we're going to talk a little bit about what's so exciting about the Collaboratory from a green and LEED point of view. I say green and LEED because there's a crossover there, both those concepts, and one of the main things about this project that excites me the most about its sustainability is the decision by the foundation to reuse an existing building was a basic early decision that had huge impact on this project in terms of its sustainability. Because we didn't have to build a new building, we were able to avoid all the greenhouse gases and carbon footprint of having to build a new building. So all the other elements of the building that really are a big part of this project are energy and IAQ. So I'll talk about energy first. This project chose to incorporate a system that allowed us to reduce the outdoor air quantity by half of a conventional building. We didn't use prescriptive measures to identify the outdoor air. We used an IAQ procedure, which led us to what I'll call a cutting-edge technology using an air scrubber. This building has an air scrubber that continuously cleans the air and allowed us to introduce a much lower quantity of outdoor air. And the benefit of that is the lower quantity of outside air means that the energy impact of constantly cooling and dehumidifying that outside airstream throughout the lifespan of the building has a beginning and full-time energy benefit to the project. The scrubber system provides a proactive means to clean the air on an ongoing basis, which provides a benefit to all the occupants and visitors to the building. It's a molecular level scrubber, technology similar to that used on submarines for the U.S. Navy. Other elements of the project the foundation is committed to is indoor plants. There are going to be a greenscape component to the project which provides also natural filtering of the air for all the occupants and visitors of the building. Such a huge benefit that most projects don't go to that level to make sure that the IAQ components are met and exceeded in this case. Another fundamental decision made in terms of IAQ was the use of low VOC components throughout the building. And that is all the paints, all the coatings, and all the elements of the building that add to the finishes of it, including the furniture for the building. The approach to stormwater management of the project incorporated permeable pavers throughout the site, which allowed for achieving an extraordinary number of 98% of stormwater retainage on site. Basically, the permeable paving and the manner in which the civil engineer and landscape architect designed the project mean that we can guarantee that only 2% of the rainwater leaves the site. Associated with that inside the building is the selection of low water use plumbing fixtures throughout. This decision made at the very beginning of the design process and followed through by the contractor allows us to basically identify that we're going to use less than half of the water on a monthly basis of a conventional office building that might otherwise have chosen just standard fixtures. The project incorporated, through partnership with FP&L, energy trees that are on the site. And those energy trees allow the project to claim the generation of renewable energy for the site. LEED is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. It's a national standard produced by the U.S. Green Building Council, intended to use as a measuring stick for designers and operators of buildings for the sustainable components and elements. It looks at both site elements and also the elements inside the building, including energy, water, materials, IAQ. Our project is choosing to achieve LEED Gold, a significant achievement in our community, and certainly will be a model for the local community and both nonprofits and for-profit developers as they consider what sustainability means for them and how they might incorporate it in their building design, and what the benefits are of a LEED design building.